If you have kids who are below 5 years old, this may seem familiar to you. So how do we ensure that our kids get enough nutritious food in order for proper growth and development? Let's ask our expert, Dr. Lim, to share with us more.
Picky eaters are mainly children that only have limited selectivity of food, and they have strong food preference. Their food selection can be as little as 20 types of food to only 3 types of food only. By the age of 2 to 6 years old, around 10 to 30% of children are actually picky eaters. Picky eating can be something serious, especially when it lasts more than 2 years. A child who is a picky eater may be thin due to undernutrition or overweight due to excessive consumption of certain unhealthy food. Then when this happens, it will cause them to have insufficient nutrition. It's important to check with your pediatrician. They will have a look at your child's height and weight, and then they will look into your child height to weight ratio and plot it on an appropriate graph. With that, it can guide a pediatrician, it can guide us on whether your child is undernutrition or overweight because of picky eating. They will also look for specific signs that can be correlated with a certain type of macro or micronutrient deficiency. Excessive snacking of unhealthy food and drinking prior to a meal time will cause a child to be full. This will in turn cause the child to refuse a proper meal during a meal time. If the parents are picky eater themselves, their child will most likely be one. A bad experience like excessive choking or vomiting episode when trying a new food will cause them to have fear towards trying the new food again. Most important, make mealtime a pleasant one. Do not force your child to eat. Prepare a set of their own favorite utensil. Use it every time you prepare a meal for them. Involve them in meal preparation. Allow them to choose what they want to eat for dinner rather than we set the menu. Give them a chance to lead on what they would like to eat tonight. Try to make some time to dine together with them and show them how we love eating. Do not give up when you feed your child. It may take up to 15 exposure before your child accepts a food. Hopefully, with correct intervention, most children with picky eating behavior can outgrow their problem.
There you are, some useful tips to ensure that your kids gets enough nutritious food. So mothers, if you're having a tough time still, don't forget to seek help from an expert. Keep your family healthy and they will stay happy.